Peace, love, and namaste, guys. Welcome back to my lock channel. For new subscribers, welcome. Returning people, it's good to see you again. And today we will be discussing a few easy hairstyles that help with your semi-free-form journey. When you're semi-free-forming, one of the trickiest things is finding hairstyles that work with your semi-free-form, also give you a neat and professional look at the same time. But I have about 3 hairstyles that are my surefire go-to for any occasion, but especially work, and if it's something that requires a bit of formality to it. It's easy, not gonna take much time to do, and just stick them whack together. Alright? So the first set of things you're going to need for this hairstyle tutorial is some elastics, hairbrush, a scarf of your preference, preferably a thin, narrow scarf as opposed to a really large one, and your spritz bottle of water. So this first one is the one that I use almost every day when I'm at work. I bartend, and as cute as my locks may be, as much people want to see them, I don't like having them in the way. And you want to work efficiently, so sometimes your hair can get in the way. So this one is my updo, my hair wrap. Start with a high top ponytail, very high. Fold the hair under. This elastic's too secure. And like I say, guys, this is messy. I like a messy look. But you can make this as neat as you want. If you're a perfectionist, I know how that is sometimes, and you want to have this nice and slick, by all means, go right ahead. But for me, mess is the best way to go. Tape up the edges a little bit, though you won't be needing to worry about your edges if you're gonna use the method that I am intending on using for the entirety of this hairstyle. I'm gonna grab the scarf. Just gonna round and round. Twisting, turning around. I like my ribbon, I like to put a little bow on the side of my head. So that's what this will be resting. You can put it in the front if you like. If not, you can carry it all the way around and tuck it. Best way you know how, best way, whatever feels comfortable for you, whichever way you like the most. Straighten my little bow. And this is how I am mostly seen at work. When I do decide to let my hair go, it's messy, it's not professional looking, but like I say, it's my method, and I kind of love it. So adjusting some elastics a bit. I'm a bartender, so I am constantly mixing drinks, serving customers, running up and down. I don't need a hairstyle that's going to be in the way of any of that for me, and this is the best way to go. Now the second look I'm going to do is 2 side twists with either a side pony or a hanging back. Now, like I say, these are styles that are quick, easy, and easy to maintain. What you want to do is use your fingers and part your hair. You can be part in the side, part in the front, or any way you like. Separate the back of your locks from the rest of the hair that you parted to front, in the front to twist. These are what I'm using. Tuck the rest of these locks in the back. water, both sides. At this point, guys, you can use gel if you prefer. I'm not a gel user, so you can use any gel or any type of edge control device that you would like to help maintain your edges. You guys know me, I don't use heavy products anymore, so strictly water and sheer effort for me. And we're gonna begin twisting. Make sure you catch those edges. It's going to be very important. Since one of the things that's going to be sagging out on us. You'll be hanging here for a minute, we'll get back to you. Then we're going to take it to the other side. Like I say, if you're a gel user, apply your gel. Hopefully not too much over the root of your hair. Let those edges slick however you like. It's alright, but we're not done yet. Okay, it's time to loose the back of our locks. Hair down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with the same twist pattern. Bring the two connections to the back of your head. Same twisting motion and connect the two. Use an elastic secure it or a pin if you prefer. At this point, you can either leave your locks hanging, back down, ponytail, straight back. One of my favorites are side ponies. Like I really love side ponies. Carry it to the side. Tidy at the top. Twist secure. Okay, for our next hair do, we're gonna do a total back twist. Exciting, right? You know, maybe not. But if you want, you can label some bangs. You know me, I like my bangs, guys. So I don't think I'm gonna leave any bangs today, though. It's hot. So what you're gonna do is brush this all the way back. Gel down if you want. Make sure those edges are secured. And then we're gonna start a twisting motion. Twisting motion, you're basically grabbing a handful of hair from this side. Also a handful of hair, not too much on this side. Gonna make sure the center is straight back and flat. Gonna use your hand and then we're gonna cross it over to one side and then we're gonna bring the other, flatten it down, bring the other side over and cross it again. Grab on the opposite side, grab another few locks. Centering the hair that's already down, and I'm going to cross again, holding it in place, adding another handful, cross, remember to keep everything flat back, that means some from the back and the hair. Then we're making it nice and neat and tight across it. This, you want to keep this form tight because you don't want this to be slack. When it's slack, it starts to unravel, popping over again. And at this point, when you reach the back of your flat twist, I like to cross it over and bring it around. It's a personal preference of mine. And then we're going to grab our giant elastic and draw everything into position. Ooh. This time your hands might be screaming at you. And use another one to help secure. If you want, you can continue twisting all the way down or braiding. Sometimes I do that, but today, not today. Gonna make sure all the locks are in, none is sticking out, none is loose. And you're gonna, if you are a gel user, edge control person, now's the time to shine. We put that bad boy, slip down the edges, sides, front, and back. I look at this, I look like I have absolutely no hair on my head. Perfect for that semi-free form frizz. Hair is nice and neat and intact. Not in the way at all. A great way to make sure that your edges are slick and laid down. Set it the night before. Do this hairstyle the night before, and secure your edges with a scarf. Your preference. And you want to tie it down, lock that down, wherever you choose for it to be. And when you wake up the next morning, immaculate edges, slick, laid back. What edges, right? All right. Here you have it, guys. 3 simple, easy hairstyles that help with your semi-free form frizz in the work profession. If you have somewhere to go, if you're doing a job that requires no hair at all, there you have it. Perfect, simple, easy, and unruly, just like me. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, stay safe out there, and tune in next week. I will be doing a meditative session. There's a lot of energies and anxieties going on right now with the whole world basically in quarantine, and I think there's a lot of pent up stuff going on, and I'm gonna meditate. I'm gonna show you guys how I meditate and cleanse myself and cleanse my energies. I feel replenished and refreshed, even though daily I'm in the house all day, every day, around noisy family members who made it very hard for me to complete this video. Alright guys, tune in next week for that session, alright? Stay safe.
Got a spell on me, little mama, so please don't go too far. You got mad.